I'm lumping kids and seniors into this one video because there are many common challenges with both groups as students. I first started teaching mosaics to kids in my garage. Eventually, I ran summer camps for kids and made a boatload of art with them. A reality for seniors and kids alike, their ability to cut materials. Some seniors have grip challenges. Kids may not yet have the dexterity to use tools, and depending on where you are teaching, kids may not be permitted to use tools per school rules or parental concerns. The earliest age I teach kids is 4 years old. Kids' abilities range greatly by age. Everyone should be wearing closed-toed shoes if any kind of sharp shards are being used, and if cutting, safety glasses are a must. We need to be sensitive to the reality that both groups may have financial challenges. You are not going to get rich from these students, but you might have a boatload of fun. Consider projects and materials that do not involve cutting. Small glass or ceramic micro tiles are a great choice. Etsy and Amazon have a lot of inexpensive mosaic materials that do not require cutting, as do some of our favorite vendors. Alternatively, you can cut and prepare materials in advance. Using stained glass with these groups is tricky because of cut hazards. A trick is to take the cut down glass and put it in a paper bag, shake it vigorously for a solid 2 minutes. Most sharp points will be softened. Nonetheless, use stained glass with caution. Fun and cost-effective materials are small pebbles or fish aquarium gravel. This works great with younger kids. Sometimes we use a boatload of PVA glue to adhere these materials. Other times, premixed thinset. I've already produced a few videos with projects for kids, and those projects can be easily adapted for seniors. A photo frame, a coaster project, a pebble and shell artwork, and a simple flower pot are available to you now. Take a look on the Make It Mosaics YouTube channel. A popular project for older kids and seniors is a large flower pot, and this video uses ceramic that does not require cutting. These mosaic desk sets are always a hit with older kids and adults. I purchased black plastic Scotch tape dispensers and terracotta flower pots that we paint black. We use all sorts of beads, ball chain, and small tiles. PVA glue was used for most materials and tinted thinset mortar for others. You could also use epoxy sculpt as your adhesive. Other popular projects, and easy to adapt for almost any age, use inexpensive photo frames from a craft store. In this case, we painted one black. The kids glued all sorts of mixed media materials on top. I am amazed what kids will do with whatever is put in front of them. Both groups are capable of grouting. Kids love it, like playing in the mud. You just have to be prepared for the mess. We also use a lot of paint for backgrounds in lieu of grout. For seniors, we want to present sophisticated projects. What you can offer depends on what your budget allows. The internet is loaded with lots of great project ideas. I've introduced just a few here to get you started. An easy and convenient option for seniors, if finances permit, are the Make It Mosaic art kits. Yup, I'm promoting them again. I use them in my Smithsonian beginner mosaic courses. They are a really good beginner project because everything is in one box. I hope this video was helpful. And remember, life's a mosaic. You pick the pieces.